SLJ 932. When the industry develops and people's income grows at a rapid rate, transport infrastructure becomes an increasing challenge. The state has to make efforts to quickly increase the capacity of roads and highways. China is one of the countries facing this problem. Therefore, there is nothing surprising in the fact that they are pioneers in the production of heavy machinery for the construction of long bridges. Its purpose is bringing construction productivity to a new level. We must say that the SLJ 932 can easily cope with this. Trencher. The modern market for special-purpose machinery offers a huge number of different machines. Each unit is designed for a specific task and copes with it in the shortest possible time. The machinery you see on the screen is known as a chainsaw trencher. Its purpose is to dig trenches in loose soils and in soft and slightly rocky soils. The manufacturer of these machines is the Italian company Tesmac. Both machines, the 1375 and the 1475 models, stand out for their extremely high productivity. The first one is equipped with a huge bucket wheel for large-scale excavations. It's used for bulk excavation projects, open pit quarries, and very large diameter pipelines. It has a 540 horsepower engine. The second model, the 1475, is used on construction sites to lay pipelines, and its capacity is 630 horsepower. Brooks Stacker Reclaimer. If you've ever wondered how to store large quantities of bulk material, the equipment shown on the screen is the answer to your question. This machine was developed by Brooks. Each unit is custom-made to fully meet the customer's requirements. The Stacker Reclaimer system is a fully automatic line for storing and transporting bulk materials. Its use has a positive effect on the quality of the stored material, in this case, wood chips. As you can see, the conveyor belt is on an air cushion. As a result, the belt has no direct contact with the machine. The system is airtight, and the material doesn't fall during transport. Noise is kept to a minimum as well. In addition to wood chips, the conveyor belt can also be used to transport wood chips, bark, and fuel pellets. This equipment increases the productivity of the transport process, but at the same time reduces operating costs. The use of these machines is important in the bioenergy industry. After all, it's in this area that chip fuel is produced and used on a large scale. Bucket wheel excavator. The next machine we're going to show you is designed for surface mining. It is a continuous bucket excavator, and in this case on crawler units. The bucket wheel serves as the working tool. There are two types of bucket wheel excavators. The one we're showing on the screen is known as a radial digging excavator. This is heavy special equipment. The dimensions and capacity are so huge that it can only be used during mining or quarrying. The diameter of the working tool is usually about 18 meters. 10 fixed buckets hold up to 1,600 liters of soil. Amazingly, but in 1 hour, this machine is capable of digging up to 10,000 cubic meters of soil. Bucket wheel excavators are often equipped with conveyor belts, and in this case, they also transport overburdened rock and minerals, and of course, stack them. Buma transporting equipment. The world industry is developing at a faster pace every day. It's necessary to keep up with the growing demand and requirements. Therefore, it's no surprise that the transport technology is becoming larger and more perfect every year. What you see on the screen is a system developed by the Buma Group. The first part consists of a feeder with a capacity of up to 1,000 tons per hour. In this case, the machine is used to place the bulk material in the ship's cargo area. It's noteworthy that the machine can transform depending on the tasks. Also, the cargo can be stored in a rolling stock, an open vehicle, or a tanker truck. The second part of the system consists of open and closed conveyors, which can either be straight or curved. It has a capacity of 1,000 tons per hour. Finally, the last part of the system takes the bulk material and sends it to the conveyor. Up to 600 tons of material pass through it in an hour. Buma transport technology is able to cope with these tasks, even if the goods have to be transported over long distances. The Komatsu drilling rig. The last giant machine we're going to show you today will come in handy at a mining operation, more specifically for drilling and blasting works. These are production processes designed to break rock for excavation using explosions. The work is carried out in several stages. First, the place to drill is selected, then a well is created, and once ready, the explosive material is placed there. The machinery you see on the screen is designed specifically for drilling these wells. It is a powerful and reliable system that allows you to achieve minimum cost per meter of drilling. The rotary carriage is powerful and can withstand high operating loads. This means that even the hardest rocks can be mined. The Japanese company Komatsu produces this equipment, and this is the model P&H 77XR. Each part of this heavy equipment is designed to operate in a very aggressive environment. That's why the tracks are highly wear-resistant and have powerful hydrostatic ground drives. This feature guarantees maneuverability and high cross-country ability. The drilling masts are designed for long and continuous operation to avoid losing money due to their need for repair or rest.